Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 104. In the last video, I explained crystal lattice and unit cell. So today I am going to tell you about closed packed structure. But before the explaining closed packed structure, I have to say in text question given in your textbook, question number 1.10, give the significance of a lattice point. So I already explained lattice point description. Name the parameters that characterize a unit cell. A, B, C edge length and alpha, beta, gamma parameters. So you explain parameters. Then distinguish between hexagonal and monoclinic unit cell. So already I explained unit cells. Okay. So face centered and end centered unit cells. Okay. Then explain how much portion of an atom located at corner, body centered and body center of a cubic unit cell is a part of its neighboring unit cell. So these questions based on the crystal lattice and unit cell. Okay. So please this questions. Okay. So let us start closed packed structure. Closed packed structure, that is means in the last video I have to explain unit cell. So unit cell. So closed packed structure. So in solid the constituent particles are closed packed and leaving the minimum vacant space. Okay, so solid constituent particles are closed packed and leaving the minimum vacant space. So we have to consider constituent particles as identical hard spheres and then build up the 3D structure, three-dimensional structure in 3 steps. Okay, so in closed packing in 1 dimension, closed packing in 2 dimension and closed packing in 3 dimension. Okay, so first I start closed packing in 1 dimension. 1 dimension, that is means we have to arrange constituent particles in a 1 row. Okay, there is the only one way of the arranging spheres. This is the sphere and arrange in 1 dimensional. Okay, and closed packed structure and arrange them in a row and touching each other. See, one sphere attach second sphere. So closed packing of the sphere in 1 dimension. And then each sphere is in contact like this way. See, this sphere. Okay, so each sphere is in contact with 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 of its neighbors. So the number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called its coordination number. So in 1 dimensional closed packed arrangement, so the coordination number is 2. Clear? So in which closed packing in 1 dimension, spheres arrange them in a row and touching each other. And then each sphere is in contact with 2 of its neighbors. Okay, so the number of the nearest neighbor is of a particle is called its coordination number. So in 1 dimensional closed pack arrangement, so coordination number is 2. So coordination number, find how much neighbors attach. Okay, clear? So closed packing of the sphere in 1 dimension. Then second one, closed packing in 2 dimension. Closed packing in 2 dimension is generated by stacking the 2 rows of closed packed sphere. So this can be done in 2 different ways. Okay, first is square closed packing and second one hexagonal closed packing. Okay, square closed packing. In this way, thus first we have to arrange in 1 dimension, but whenever second row may be placed in contact with the first one, such that is the sphere. Like this one, first row, and then second row arrange in contact with the first one. Okay, so exactly above those of the first row. Clear? And the sphere of the 2 rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. So same way, horizontally and vertically same. If we call the first row as A type row, so the second row being exactly same as the first one, so it is also called A type. Okay, so one by one arrange, so horizontally or vertical are aligned similar way. So A type row, and then in horizontal and vertical also A. So it we may place more rows to obtain A type of arrangement. Clear? So see, and then here one sphere neighbors. Okay, the number of nearest neighbors of a particles. Okay, here each sphere is in contact with 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Okay, so each sphere is in contact with in 4 sphere. Okay, and then when attach its 4 sphere, 1, 2, 3, 4, so a square is formed. Okay, each sphere is in contact with 4 its neighbors. So okay, so 4 sphere, and then whenever 4 corners center of these 4 immediate neighboring sphere are joined, so a square is formed, and this packing is called square close packing. Okay, and then neighbors 4, so that is means its coordination number is 4. Clear? Again I say, close packing in T2 dimension, there this can be done in 2 different ways. First way is second row placed in contact with the first one. Clear? And exactly of the sphere of the second row exactly above those of the first row, and align horizontal and then vertical are similar way. If we call the first row A type, so second similar way from first, so it is also we have to say A type. Okay, and we may place rows to the obtain 3 and 4. Okay, so more rows to obtain A type of arrangement. Clear? Then here in this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 neighbors. Okay, so its coordination number is 4. Okay, then coordination number is 4, and also if the centers of these 4 immediate neighboring sphere are joined, so a square is formed, and so this packing is called square close packing in T2 dimensional. Okay, then second row, this is the first way, square close packing in 2 dimension. This is the first way, square close packing, and second way we have to see hexagonal close packing of a sphere in 2 dimension. What is the hexagonal close packing of the sphere? Here you see second row placed above the first one. Here this is one, see A. So second row may be placed above the first one in a staggered manner. Staggered manner, that is means such that its sphere fit in the depression of the first row. See, this is the A. You bought the sphere of the A, and this is the depression between the 2 sphere of A. So in the sphere of depression of the 2 sphere, second row fit. Okay, so second row may be placed above the first one, and in a staggered manner, that is its sphere fit in the depression of the first row. Okay, if the arrangement of the sphere in the first row we have to say A type, and second row is different, so it is called maybe called B type. So third row is placed adjacent to the second in staggered manner, so its sphere are aligned with the first layer. So this layer is also A type, and then this layer is also same this way, B type. Okay, so consider A, B, A, B. Clear? Okay, first A, then B, then A, and then B. Okay, so when the third row, this is the first A, then B, then third row, this is the third row. Third row, okay, third row is placed adjacent to the second in a adjacent staggered manners, so sphere aligned with those of the C, first layer. Okay, So first layer, and similarly fourth row will be aligned with those of the second row. So A, B, A, B. So which arrangement form? This arrangement is of A, B, A, B type. Okay, and in this arrangement there is less free space because this packing is more efficient than the square close packing. And each sphere is in contact. Here you see, like this sphere. So this sphere contact with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and each sphere contact in, okay, each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighbors. Okay, and 6 neighbors. So, and the two-dimensional coordination number is 6 because neighbors is 6. Okay, and the center of these 6 spheres are at the corners of the regular hexagon. Okay, so this packing is called two-dimensional hexagonal close packing, and it is necessary 3 layers are required, 1, 2, 3, then hexagonal form and square also. Okay, clear? So it is known as two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Clear? And in this layer there are some voids, empty spaces. So these are triangular in shape, and the triangular voids, here you see this way. Okay, so these are triangular in shape, and the triangular voids are of two different types. In one row the apex of the triangles are pointed upwards and the next layer downwards. Okay, clear? This way. Clear? So upwards and then second one downwards. Clear? So first layer, this is the first layer upward, then second layer downwards, first layer upwards, then second layer downwards. Okay, clear? So it can be also, we have to see some voids are present. So these are triangular in shape. Here you see. This is the voids. Okay, and this voids 1, 2 and 3. This void contact in 3 sphere. Okay, so triangular voids are of two different types. In one row, here you see, one row 1, 2, 3. Okay, so triangular voids are of different types. In one row, upper side apex of the triangles are pointed upwards and the next layer downwards. Okay, so this is the close packing in two-dimensional. So there are two types of packing: square close packing, and then second one hexagonal close packing. Third one is close packing in three-dimensional. So close packing in three-dimensional, so all real structure are 3D. Okay, reality, in the reality way, close packing in 3D way, three-dimensional structure, and this can be obtained by stacking two-dimensional layers one above the other. Okay, whenever two-dimensional layer by staking and one above the other, so we have to already I discussed about close packing in two-dimensional. Okay, and two types of two-dimensional packing: square close packed and hexagonal close packed. According to the square close packed and the hexagonal close packed, so here three-dimensional close packing can be obtained from these. Okay, first is three-dimensional close packing forms two-dimensional square close packed layer. Okay, first we have to form 3D close packing from 2D square close packed. Okay, so here you see, this is first layer, see. Okay, so when this is the first layer, so while place the second square close packed layer above the first, this is the second layer. Okay, so while placing the second square close packed layer above the first, so we follow the same rule, and that was followed when one row was placed as it sent to the other. So second layer is placed over the first layer, that the sphere of the upper layer are exactly above the first layer. Here you see this one, here you see, like see, 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. A square close packing formed by AA, square close packing. Okay, so square close packing this way, or whenever second layer this way, back side. Clear? See, properly you have to see. This is the first way and then second. So while placing the second square close layer above the first we follow the same rule that was followed. One row was placed adjacent to the other, so second low layer is placed over the first layer. So the sphere of the upper layer are exactly above the first layer. Okay. Then in this arrangement, sphere of the both layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. Okay, and we may place more layers one above the other. Okay, if the arrangement of the sphere in the first layer is called A, so A type, so all the layers have the same arrangement, so this lattice are called AA arrangement. Okay, and the lattice thus generated to the simple cubic lattice. Okay, and its unit cell is the primitive. So see, 4 spheres are joined together, then backside also second layer. So one primitive type of cubic unit cell are formed. Clear? Then second one, 3D is close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close pack structure, and you already known about a square close packed structure AA arrangement, and then hexagonal close packed structure AB type arrangement. So we have to see 3D dimensional forming from hexagonal close packing divided into two types. First A, placing second layer over the first layer. So here you see first layer A and then second layer B, then A. So AB type hexagonal close packing. So second layer over the first layer. So let us take a two-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer A and then place a similar layer above it such that the sphere of the second layer are placed in the depression of the first layer. Already know about, and since the sphere of the two layers are aligned differently, this is the A, this is the B. So AB. So that is means different way. Okay, and here you see triangular voids of the first layer. Here you see this is way, this sphere. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. In between voids, this is the triangular voids of the first layer. Okay, this first layer, second layer. So in between T, triangular. Okay, clear? Then all the triangular voids of the first layer are not covered by the sphere of the second layer. So this gives the different arrangement. Whereas the sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer, so tetrahedral void is formed. Tetrahedral void is formed. So these voids are called tetrahedral voids because tetrahedron is formed. Because here you see this is the T, 3 sphere. Okay, so these voids second down way. Okay, so when the center of these 4 spheres are joined, okay, whenever 4 spheres are joined, so one such void has been shown separately. So here you see, so properly you completely understood. See, first small a, upper side tetrahedral hole, second one octahedral hole. When one sphere backside covered by 3, so tetrahedral hole, and then second one 3 covered by 3, so octahedral hole. Okay, but first you have to see upper side. Here you see it is a tetrahedral because you downside you see first layer, then placed second layer. So here you see in the back side light lines, light circle way. See, so this void covered by downside 3 and then upper side 1. So how many sphere covered by this voids? 4. So it is a tetrahedral. Here you see this void. Downside 1, 2, 3 and then upper side also 1, 2, 3. So covered by 6 spheres, so it is a octahedral. Okay, so stacks of the 2 layers of the closed packed sphere and voids generated in them. So T tetrahedral voids and then O octahedral voids. So 3-dimensional, properly you see AB type hexagonal close packing. First you 3 layers of the hexagonal close packing, then second hexagonal packing. First you see in the light line we have to draw A, B, A. Clear? Then second way in the dark line, second layer placed on the first layer of the voids. Okay, so this is the one A, B and A. Clear? So we have to see voids cover how many sphere. Okay, this voids covered upper side 3 and downside 3. So 6. So stacks of the 2 layers of the closed packed sphere and voids. So T is tetrahedral voids and then O octahedral voids. Okay, clear? Then after triangular voids, so you completely understood? Okay, so 1 by covered by 3, so tetrahedral hole completely this hole, and this hole covered by upper 3 and then down 3, so octahedral hole. Clear? So tetrahedron, that is means this point, this triangular form. So tetrahedral hole, that is means those hole which is covered by 4 spheres, so it is known as tetrahedral hole. When hole covered by 6 sphere, so it is a octahedral hole. Okay, so see 3 downside and then 1 upper side, so tetrahedral hole. Okay, then 3 downside and 3 upper case, so it is a octahedral hole. Okay, then after triangular hole, triangular holes in the second layer are above the triangular voids in the first layer. Okay, so the triangular shape of these do not overlap. One of them has the apex of the triangle pointed upward and other downward. Okay, so these voids have been marked as O octahedral. So such voids are surrounded by 6 spheres and are called octahedral voids. Okay, so again I say, when a sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer, so a tetrahedral void is formed. These voids are called tetrahedral voids. Okay, because tetrahedron is formed. Then when the center of these 4 spheres are joined, so they have been marked T, capital T. Okay, then after the triangular voids in the second layer are above of the triangular voids in the first layer. So triangular shape of these do not overlap. So one of them has the apex of the triangular point upwards and the other downwards. So these voids have been marked as O. Okay. Then such voids are surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spheres, so are called octahedral voids. Okay, clear? Then the number of these two types of voids, tetrahedral voids and then octahedral voids, depend upon the number of the closed packed sphere. Okay, the number of the octahedral voids generated capital N. So the number of the tetrahedral voids generated 2 capital N. That is means octahedral 6. So double of the tetrahedral. Okay. Octa, that is means not a 8 we have to see, but generally depend on the number of the closed packed sphere. So closed packed sphere denoted by capital N. So octahedral voids generated capital N. So the number of the tetrahedral voids generated 2 capital N. Then next B is placing third layer over the second layer. Okay, second layer. So placing third layer over the second layer. So third layer is placed over the second layer. So there are 2 possibilities. Okay, first is covering tetrahedral voids and second one is covering octahedral voids. Okay, so third layer, see, A, B, A, B. Okay, so if covering tetrahedral voids, so tetrahedral voids, first is hexagonal covering tetrahedral voids. So tetrahedral voids of the second layers may be covered by the sphere of the third layer. Okay, so in this case, the sphere of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first layer, and the pattern of the sphere is repeated in. So here you see covering tetrahedral pattern, covering tetrahedral voids. So here you see pattern A, B, A, B. So here you see downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is means here octahedral voids. Here downside 3 and upper side 1. So here tetrahedral void, octahedral, tetrahedral. Okay. So this structure is called hexagonal closed pact, HCP structure. Okay, so the sort of the arrangement of the atoms is found in many metals like magnesium and zinc. So its example is with this type of found crystal lattice are present in the magnesium and the zinc. Okay, clear? So here you see hexagonal close packing, exploded views showing stacking of the layers of spheres, and then B, 4 layers of the stacked in each case. Okay, first you have to see this way. Okay, this see A, 6, B, octahedral, tetrahedral, octahedral, tetrahedral. Clear? So then B, found 4 layers stacked in each case, and then C, geometry of the C, 6, 4, 6. So this type of geometry form. Clear? Again I say, covering tetrahedral voids of the second layer may be covered by the sphere of the third layer, and then the sphere of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first. See, first is this type and third is same. Okay, so the pattern of the sphere is repeated in alternate layers. So this pattern is often written as ABAB pattern, and this pattern is called hexagonal closed packed structure. Clear? And present in the magnesium and zinc. Okay, but your choice, you draw only one diagram. Okay, this type of you represent this type of structure. Okay, otherwise this type of. So maximum you draw this type of. Okay, then second one, placing third layer over the second layer. Okay, so first is cover tetrahedral voids, and that's in this covering octahedral voids. Covering octahedral voids, that is means third layer. See, third layer may be placed above the second layer in a manner such its sphere cover the octahedral voids. Okay, so when placed in this manner, the sphere of the third layer are not aligned with those of the either first layer of the or the second. So see, first is tetrahedral, B is hexagonal. So here you see, so third is different from first or the second. So this arrangement is called C. Only when fourth layer is placed, its sphere are aligned with the first layer. Okay, so pattern is A, B, C, then again A, B, C. Clear? So the third layer may be placed above the second layer in a manner such its sphere cover the octahedral voids. Because here you see in the B, upside 3, then 2 and then 1. So 3 covered by 3, then 2 covered by 2, and then covered by 1. So completely covered. But position are changed from B, and then also change from first. Okay, so when placed in this manner, the sphere of the third layer are not aligned with those of the either the first or the second layer. So this arrangement is called C. So only when fourth layer is placed, so its sphere aligned, fourth layer A, so with the first layer. So this pattern is written as ABC ABC, and structure is called cubic close packed or face centered cubic. Otherwise, first covering tetrahedral voids, so it is known as hexagonal close packed, HCP. But here ABC ABC pattern, so this structure is called cubic close packed, CCP, cubic close packed, and face centered cubic, FCC structure. Example, metals such as copper and silver crystallize in this structure. Okay, so both these type of close packing, CCP and FCC, are highly efficient, and 74% space in the crystal is filled. In either of them, each sphere is on contact with 12 sphere. So the coordination number is 12 in either of these two sphere structure. See, here you see A, B and C. Third layer placed covered octahedral voids. So octahedral voids, so 6 covered by 6. So total means coordination number 12, because 12 sphere total. Okay, so its coordination number 12. Clear? So covering tetrahedral voids pattern is ABAB pattern, and this structure is called hexagonal close packed. Example, arrangement present in the magnesium and the zinc, and its coordination number 4th. Okay, so 4th. Then covering octahedral voids, third layer covered of the octahedral voids. So third layer different from first or second. So pattern is ABC ABC pattern, and then its structure known as CCP and then FCC, cubic close packing, and then face centered packing. Okay, and then only 6 sphere covered of 6. So its coordination number is 4. So next topic I will be explaining in next video. Thank you so much.